Best New Sedans of 2022. Tesla Model 3. With a near-ideal blend of performance, driving range, and accessible pricing, the 2022 Tesla Model 3 is an electric vehicle that lives up to the hype. It's fast, especially the performance trim, and it's agile, which means the Model 3 is an EV that driving enthusiasts like us can get behind. We even named it to our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Audi A3. The well-respected last-generation A3 sedan has been replaced by an all-new 2022 model which has been modernized in every fashion but retains the fun-to-drive nature that endeared us to the previous model. German rivals such as the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe and the Mercedes-Benz A-Class are fueling consumers' appetites for small, premium sedans, so it's no wonder Audi is doubling down on its compact car and giving it a richer interior, advanced technology, and razor-sharp looks. Audi S3. Even in the age of the SUV, the entry luxury compact sedan segment still has juice, and Audi is set to deliver a performance-oriented challenger in the form of the new 2022 S3. A hot-rodded version of the new A3 sedan, the S3 goes head-to-head with the aggressive BMW M235i Gran Coupe, Cadillac CT4V, and Mercedes-AMG A35. This pint-sized sports sedan certainly looks the part, and we're happy to report that the fun-to-drive nature that made the last-generation car so impressive is alive and well here too. We even named it to our 2022 Editor's Choice list. BMW 3 Series. No matter which one of its silky powertrains is on duty, the 2022 BMW 3 Series is supremely satisfying to drive. While its remarkable refinement is offset by not quite great steering feel, its body is composed on any kind of road, its brakes are strong, and its ride is comfortable for daily chores. Plus, its interior is rich and roomy and it has a sizable trunk. Rivals such as the Genesis G70 offer better value, and the Alfa Romeo Giulia is a sexier alternative, but no other sports sedan possesses the bandwidth of the Beamer. Genesis G70. Although it shares its underpinnings with the Kia Stinger, the 2022 G70 kicks the luxury quotient up a notch and proves that the Genesis brand is a credible competitor in the entry luxury segment. Going head-to-head with sports sedan leaders such as the BMW 3 Series and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class requires both an athletic chassis and a posh cabin, two things that happen to be the G70's strengths. Mercedes-AMG C43. Offered as a coupe and convertible, the 2022 Mercedes-AMG C43 provides a sports car attitude with luxury car accoutrements. It's on our Editor's Choice list, too. These two-door C43 models come standard with a 385 horsepower twin-turbo V6 that provides ample power and sounds fantastic. All-wheel drive is standard, and the C43's handling is razor-sharp. Unfortunately, the same can be said of its ride quality, which can be tortuous over rough stretches of road. Like most cars with sporting intentions, the C43 requires you to take the good with the bad. C4 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. With a 505 horsepower twin-turbocharged V6 under its bulging hood, the 2022 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio turns up the heat on the sports sedan segment. It shares its chassis and interior with the standard Giulia, which means it inherits that car's sharp handling and fun-to-drive demeanor, but that Ferrari-derived 6 is really the star of the show. BMW M3. Whenever the letter M and the number 3 are together on the model badge, the driver can expect a great experience, and that's true once again for the 2022 BMW M3 sedan. Sure, it might get ridiculed for its overwrought, oversized grille, but row its satisfying manual gearbox or chase its silky 6-cylinder to the red line and the styling stigma is forgotten. The standard 473 horsepower M3 is the purist's M3 because rear-wheel drive and a stick shift are mandatory. Cadillac CT4V Blackwing. With a souped-up engine and track-ready hardware, the 2022 Cadillac CT4V Blackwing is the hottest version of the brand's smallest sedan. Based on the regular Cadillac CT4, the Blackwing boasts both a standard manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, which serve as twin appetizers for driving enthusiasts.